how it looks like so far. Then I'm gonna put buttons. It's so easy to evenly space because this is plaid. Step 1 is to cut the hole. So I'll draw the line first. Fold it to find the center so you don't need to use a ruler at all. Very good. Then you cut the holes out. Make sure you don't cut it too wide, so you always use the button as a reference to see if it's true or not. And you slowly cut until it's just right. This is the most important part of the whole tutorial. So you put your needle through under the hole that you just cut, and through the first top left hand corner, whichever side you're holding it, and then you go through. Second stitch is at almost exactly the same spot, but this time the thread, you loop it under the needle and then over the top but still under the needle. So you make a knot when you pull the thread, and you pull the thread downwards to tighten the knot at the edge of the fabric. This is to prevent fraying, and you just repeat that step throughout the whole pattern. All the way through. And then you can sew on the buttons. For the first row of buttons, you match the where you want the place to close. For the subsequent buttons, you have to button the previous buttons that you've already sewn on to mark where the new buttons would be at, so that you don't have excess fabric or unevenly spaced out button.